Welcome back to Nana Hobby channel. Today with this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make this cute glasses holder. It's very fast project and you can use any material like cotton. I suggest cotton, modern wool, and I'm using macrame cord as you know, and this is the list of the material that you need for this project. Crochet number 3.5, a magnetic closure like this one or this one that you can sew on, embellishing button, your glasses to measure the length for your little holder, needle, scissor, meter, and then you can put some felt inside like I did here to protect your glasses, and that's it. That's what you need. Okay, so if you have everything, let's go start it. So the first thing that we have to do is of course measure your glasses. In this case is I'm gonna say 15 just to keep enough space. Okay, then let's go put this outside, and then I'm gonna chain 27 plus 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 27 plus 1 for turn, and then we're gonna do single crochet from the second chain from the hook. Simple single crochet. Okay, so when you arrive at the last chain here, you do 1, then you put another one in the same stitch, then turn like that, and then start again here in the first chain from the other side, and then you continue, do single crochet until you reach the end here, and then I'll tell you what you have to do next. Okay, so I'm here at the last stitch, then I'm gonna put a single crochet here, and then I'm gonna put another single crochet here. Okay, and then I'm gonna close here with slip stitch. Okay, now the stitch that I chose is a multiple of 3, and then we want to work around. We close, no, around, sorry, we close and then we start it again. I'll show you how it look like. Okay, so chain 1, and the first stitch here where I close it with a slip stitch, I'm going inside again, and I'm gonna do 1 single crochet. In the same stitch I'm gonna do half a double crochet and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Okay, then I skip 1, 2, and the third one I'm gonna do it again, single crochet, half a double crochet, double crochet, then again skip 2 stitch, 1 and 2, and the third one single crochet, half and double, then again skip 2, 1, 2, and the third single crochet, half a double crochet, and double crochet, and you continue like that all around. Into you come back here, and then I tell you what you have to do next. And then it's gonna be my last cluster, let's say that. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and the third one single crochet, half a double crochet, and double crochet, and then 1, 2, 3, see, and we're gonna close here with slip stitch. Okay, that's what it look like for now. Now chain 1, turn. Okay, so here we have the double crochet from the previous row. That's where we're gonna start again with single crochet, half a double crochet, and double crochet. So again here, this is the double crochet from the previous row, and here we're gonna work each time here, here, here. Okay, so in the double crochet from the previous row you're gonna work single crochet, half a double crochet, and double crochet. Okay, so skip 1, 2, and the third one is the double crochet from the previous row. See, show you, this was the double crochet. So single crochet, half a double crochet, a double crochet, and then you continue like that all around until you come here. Here is the last stitch from the previous row. You're gonna do slip stitch here, chain 1, turn, and you're gonna start again in the double crochet here. You're gonna start again single crochet, double crochet, but I'll show you another row. Okay, so I'm gonna finish this. I'm gonna come back here and gonna show you once and again how you have to close and how you have to start. Okay, I'm in here, and then I'm gonna close it with slip stitch here where we start. Okay, so don't worry if it become like you see like a little boat, but that's what's supposed to be, because they have to, you know, grow in this way. So we close it here with slip stitch, gonna chain 1 and turn, and then here is the first double crochet, and then we're gonna start working here again, single crochet, half, and double, and then you continue with work like that all around. Close, chain 1 and turn, and in each row you have to close with slip stitch, chain 1, turn your work, and then you're gonna work on it into the length that you think is fit your glasses. Okay, so I'm gonna continue mine, and then I'll show you how we have to do. We're gonna do this little triangle to close like an envelope. Okay, so I'm gonna stop here because my glasses went very good inside. Actually, see how many space I have. So I think for me it's fine like that. I'm gonna give you how long it's mine. I make it's like 16 centimeter by 6. Okay, now we have to do the flap, and then we're gonna do like that, like the usual. Slip stitch, chain 1 and turn, single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet, and then we want to work the same stitch. You fold this in an half until you reach the half part of this envelope, okay, right here in the half. So continue until you reach the half here. And then I'm gonna do it the last one here, single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet. Okay, now chain 1, turn, and then we're gonna jump here. We're gonna do the same, single crochet, half double crochet and double crochet, like that. Okay, and then continuing until you reach the, not the last one, before the last one. Okay, and then I'll show you what I have to do here. Now we're gonna go here in the first, in the double crochet, we're gonna do it 1 single crochet, chain 1 and turn, and then we're gonna start again. So at this point we have to decrease, we have to start the decrease to make that point. So each time that you come here, the last one is gonna be this one, the last double crochet here, you're gonna do single crochet and turn. Then when you come here again, you have to do 1 single crochet, turn. You have to skip another word, one let's say cluster. Each time that you turn, you have to skip it. So they're gonna come in like that, and then I'll show you. Okay, so now I'm gonna finish this row and back. I'm gonna show you what I have to do here. So this is gonna be my last cluster. Let's go call this 1 half and double, and then here we're supposed to be do another cluster, but we don't, because we have to, like I say, decrease it to make the point. So in the last one here, you're gonna do single crochet, chain 1, turn, and you're gonna start again here in the double crochet, the same thing. Okay, so like you see, they're gonna start, it's gonna start to make that point. Okay, so continue like that until we reach the point, and then I'll show you what you have to do for closing. At this point you have to be in this situation that I am now. So this is gonna be my last single crochet here, and then we're gonna cut the yarn, and then it's done. There we go. Now with the yarn needle we're gonna make a wave inside the stitches. Actually I don't do the slip stitch, I just close it like that. I'm gonna just go inside here. Pass it through the stitch to loosen the ends. Like that. Okay. Now this it's your choice if you want to put a felt, but I'll show you anyway. What you have to do is just put this is inside here. You cut it like that, and you put it inside and try if the length is fine. You open up a little bit. Which is good. And then you're gonna put like that. You put your glasses inside to check. Like that. And then you cut it here on the nail. Okay? So just like that. It's very easy to do. Then you can put some hot glue here to attach the felt, or you can sew it, and then you attach it here like I said you before. If you prefer, if you don't have this one, which you can sew in, and then you're not gonna see nothing because it's a sewing in. Okay, but if you don't have this, you can always put this on. Okay, and then here when you close to cover this little wing, you can put it like a garnish bottom like that. Oops. With some hot glue, you put it on like I did in this one. See? And then I think it's cute. And then you have it. It's very fast project. It's not they not require too much attention. And I hope you like it. And then thank you for watching.